channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm doing a Durga Puja makeup look. So I've made a nice brown smoky eyes. It's a very practical makeup look because I've hardly used only two eyeshadows for this to achieve this eyeshadow, and I've made a nice black winged liner which is very traditional, and I've padded with bright red lips. So bright red lips with a wing liner is a perfect combination, deadly combination. So if you like what you see, then please keep watching. But before getting into the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and also click on the bell button so that you'll get notified every single time I post a new video. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing, I'm going to be applying moisturizer. This is a simple moisturizer. It's very nice, light and hydrating. I'm going to be applying. I'm going to take a generous amount and I'm going to be applying it all over my face, and I'm giving a light massage so that my skin is fresh. My skin is well prepped. For foundation, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I'm in the shade Golden Beige for your reference. Guys, I'll put all the information in the description box below, and I'm using a makeup sponge from Blue Heaven. It's really good, and this foundation is also good again. I'm going to be putting it all over my face. The coverage is also medium, light to medium, I would say. And for concealer, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade light to medium. I'm just dotting it little, under my eyes, on my nose, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow on my forehead. And I'm blending it. This blends like a dream. And actually, you don't have to set this concealer with powder because it just stays. And for setting the base, to make my makeup last for a long time, I'm going to be setting my makeup base with the loose powder from Maybelline. It's Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade light. I think light. I'm not sure. I'll just put it in the description box below. I'm also powdering my corner of the nose. For contouring, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit in light to medium, and I'm chiseling. I'm cutting my cheeks. Take your time and blend it, guys, like there's no tomorrow. And I'm also going to be contouring my jawline because I do have double chin problems, so I'm just going to do it on my jawline as well. Take your time and blend. Don't skip this step if you have chubby cheeks and double chin. And I'm also going to be contouring my nose so that my nose looks really thick, really narrow and sharp, which I absolutely love. And for eyebrows, I'm again using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ash Brown. I'm not sure. I'll just put it in the description box below for you guys, so please check it out. First, I'll just comb my eyebrow hair with a spoolie and just filling it up with the Dip Brow Pomade. And this product is bomb, you guys. You should definitely own this. But sadly, this is not yet available in India. And again, I'm using a spoolie to comb. And for eyeshadow, I'm using this Julius Place Masquerade palette, mini palette. It's such a gorgeous palette. You can see the shades for yourself. Beautiful shades. And I'm just going to be taking this brown shade, and I'll for the transition shade, I'm putting it in my crease and blending it really well. I'm using windshield wiper motion and blending it really well. And I'm just placing this color in the color all over my eyelids, to be honest. And I'm taking this dark brown shade and I'll just put it, on the V of my outer eyes. As you can see, I'm just putting it in the outer corner V of my eyelids. And with a blending brush, I'm going to be blending everything together so it looks seamless. And I'm taking the same eyeshadow and I'm putting it in the lower lashes as well. And for eyeliner, I'm using Kiko Milano gel liner. It's a beautiful eyeliner, guys. It's very thick, dark, matte, and it stays for a really long time. And I'm making a nice thick wing liner. Beautiful, isn't it? I just love thick wing liners. And for kajal, I'm using the K Beauty kajal in the name shade Spade, and I'll be putting it on my lower lash line. I'm not going to be dragging it till the inner corner. And now blending it with the blending brush. with a pencil brush, just smoking it out because I really like the smoked kajal. It looks stunning on the eyes when you wear sari. And for blush, I'm using the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Luminoso. It's a beautiful peachish blush. It has some shimmer particles and it looks absolutely stunning. I'll just apply it in the shape of the butterfly, and whatever is left out, I'll apply it on the nose and on my chin. Actually, you don't need a highlighter if you use this blush because it has shimmer particles, which is not over the top. But for highlighter today, I'm using Medi Luminizer, which is a bomb product, which is beautiful for Indian skin tones. It's a champagne color. I'm just putting it on high points. And for lipstick, this is my most favorite part. I'm using the world famous Ruby Woo from MAC, which I absolutely love. It's stunning, the shade, the pigmentation, how much it suits the Indian skin tone. This is such a beautiful product. I forgot the mascara totally, so for that I'm using L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. It's a beautiful mascara. I'm going to be applying it on the upper lashes and the lower lashes as well. This makes your eyelashes really long and fluttery. Durga Puja look is never complete without a bindi. And this, guys, is my finished look. I hope you all like the video. If you like the video, please like, comment and share it with your friends. And I'll hopefully catch you all in my next video. Bye guys.